Bangayan from the batch 2019. I am currently working as an associate at the tech assurance practice of SGV and Company. Senior high school in general for me is where I understood myself more and what I want for my future. My relative exposure to basic accounting and core management courses reinforced my initial thoughts of taking accountancy as a program in college. It might have been pretty overwhelming absorbing all those concepts during senior high school, but instructors that we had back then ensured that we obtain understanding in the simplest way possible. Everything became more manageable in that even though there are uncertainties as to how accurate our understanding is, I tried to still go back to it and just convince myself to enjoy learning it. The difficult K 12 curriculum pushed me personally beyond my comfort zone. The volume of requirements can really be too much most of the time, but this is where I learned how to withstand certain levels of pressure. I learned how to relatively be calm on circumstances where you just don't know what task or project to start or to focus on. I realized that I'm a type of person who can only do things one step at a time, and that multitasking for me can implicate the quality of my output. During those times, it became effective for me. It allowed me to deliver my commitments without sacrificing its quality. With that discipline in mind, one notable achievement that I experienced was winning second place in the first ever National Research Convention in 2019, specifically for the business cluster. It was really surprising for me to be able to win that competition because what I did during that time in our research was just for compliance. This achievement made me appreciate more the concept of continuous learning and improvement in whatever form. Specifically now in the industry where I am currently working at, our value depends on the knowledge and skills we obtain from experience and continuous study and training. This is the only way we could provide value to clients and improve the way they do their business for economic and financial stability. Therefore, it was never really a burden for me to improve my technical skills and learn more efficient ways to bring value to clients. In the ABM program, most of the performance tasks would require us to report what we learned or discovered in our studies. Never have I thought that I'll be doing it so often in my job. It's always a struggle to accurately communicate the thought that you intended to communicate with other people. In my job in audit, good communication skills get us somewhere, especially when we are trying to understand the nature of our client's business, processes, and controls. It also is very important when we communicate observations or deficiency areas for their improvement. At the end of every engagement, we also need to communicate the results of our procedures. My training in the strand during senior high school made me feel more comfortable communicating with even the most intimidating person. It also allowed me to establish ways to logically arrange my thoughts so that I am able to deliver it in a more concise and technically accurate manner. I owe the foundations of my communication skills in the training I had during senior high school. With this, I would like to leave a few I would like to leave you guys with a few thoughts, which I think could be very helpful as you continue to navigate your academic journey and plan for your future careers. First, trust that whatever it is that you are doing right now will all be useful in the future, especially when you are aspiring to be in the same career that I have now. What you are currently experiencing in the strand right now is a preparation of what's in store for you in the future. Just learn to patiently comply with what is asked from you and trust me that it will pay off very, very soon. Second, and the final one, don't forget to reassess your decisions from time to time. It's better to ask yourself if you're seeing yourself in that path 5 to 10 years from now. Whatever answers you might have with that kind of question, let that become your guide in everything that you do and in every decision that you will make. Hope to see you practicing the profession soon.